Hey, what's up, everybody? It's me again, Ken. I'm here to give you the credit plug. Here is a little information you could use. Information you could use today. Fun fact. I'm going to give you a fun fact today. I've given you a whole lot of stuff, guys, that can help build your credit score. But today I'm going to do a fun fact on TransUnion. Did you know that TransUnion didn't come around until the 1980s? Specifically, actually, it was in 1986, and they came in as 1986 as a holding company for Union Tank Car Company in Chicago, Illinois. So I'm shouting out Chicago, Illinois right now. But TransUnion was not really even in the game until the late 1980s, particularly 1986. I hope this fun fact helped you guys today, man. I'm here just to help you build a healthy credit score, get you in shape credit-wise so you can reach out and get some of those dreams and objectives that you hope to accomplish. I hope you guys are blessed. Continue to work on that credit. Stay in credit shape. Y'all be blessed.